great to see, especially the big guys competing. You know, they don't get a lot of attention, and this is a good way to showcase some of what they can do.
A lot of the things that you guys did today, we already do. I mean, we did the truck push, we do hand over hand and also push it. You know, of course, everyone benches. We did the deadlift deal.
It was pretty intense, really. You know, both sides were anxious to get started, and they're tugging on it. You got to make sure that rope's right in the middle. But man, it's great stuff. Good to see.
It was challenging. It was challenging, but you know, it was fun. Another day off season with my boys. I mean, it's not really that much different from what we do at home. I'm gonna trip so bad. One in. I'm just gonna push up. Let's go. I'll be out. Let's go. We can have the video. I can't.